Hello friends, we are going to perform the practical study of encoder. Aim: draw the necessary circuit diagrams for decimal to BCD encoder using IC 74147. Connect the circuit and verify the truth tables. This is the diagram for decimal to BCD encoder. The decimal inputs are given here and BCD output is get from here. Inputs and outputs are active low type. So whenever the pin is low, then it is active, and output is low, then it is active. For input, switches are connected to apply the inputs, and LEDs are connected to show the output, BCD output. This is the truth table for decimal to BCD. So these are active low decimal inputs, and this is active low BCD outputs. For 1, output is 1110. So it is active low type 1 in BCD. For input 2, output is 1101. So it is 2 in active low. For 3, 1100. So it is BCD active low type output, and similarly all the inputs are applied and outputs are appeared, which is shown by the LED. We build this circuit in a Proteus simulation software. We pick the devices or components from here. We search through the keyword IC 74147. The components are showing here IC 74147. Then we require switches, resistor, and LED. Okay, now we place all the components. We start from the encoder IC 74147. Now we place the switches. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Place the resistor at the output, and LEDs. LED 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now we need power supply, power, that is plus VCC, and ground. We flip the switches. Okay, now we will connect all the components. Start from switches. Switch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We connect the resistor at the out. We will connect the LEDs. We connect the switches to plus VCC. And other terminal of the switch to ground. We need to change the value of this resistor to 220 ohms. And the name of these LEDs D0, D1, D2 and D3. So the circuit is connected. Now we run the simulation. Okay, here all the inputs are 1, that is no input is applied, and outputs are also 1, so all the outputs are high, so it shows the decimal 0, active low type decimal 0. Now we apply the next input, that is 1. We connect it to ground, so the 1 number input is low, so the output is 1110. Output is 1110, so it is active low BCD of 1 decimal 1. We apply the next input, that is 2, so we low the second switch, so 2 number is applied, output is 1101. Similarly, we apply 3, so we get 1100, so it is a 3, then 4 1011, then 5 1010, 6 1001, 7 1000, and 8 0111, and 9 output is 0110. So in this way we verify this truth table. So IC 74147 can be used as a decimal to BCD encoder. Thank you.